Hey there, health warriors. It's your favorite alternative medicine enthusiast, Dr. Antony Caldwell, sliding into your feed with a game-changing cup of wisdom for all you battling high blood pressure out there. Cue the drumroll, folks. Today we're spilling the beans on the ultimate heart-friendly brew that's about to become your cozy companion. But first, let's get interactive. Leave a comment with your go-to tea for keeping those BP readings on the low. I want to know what's simmering in your mug. Smash that like button if you're ready to take control of your health, and don't forget to subscribe because we're all about those life-altering health tips here. Alright, my friends, let's get the heart of the matter, and I mean that quite literally. High blood pressure is the ninja of health conditions, sneaking around without a single symptom before it goes all ninja on your heart and brain with some serious knockout moves. Now sure, you're diligently popping pills and nodding along to every word your doctor says. But let's beef up your defense with some nature's goodness. We're talking diet and exercise revolution here, with tea as the cherry on top. Reduce the processed junk and salty villains in your diet and embrace the fresh crunch of fruits and the vibrant greens of veggies. And oh, make room in your life for the star of today's show, drumroll intensifies, hibiscus tea. This ruby red infusion, steeped in dried hibiscus florals, is more than a tea, it's a heart hug in a cup. Brew it strong with a tablespoon of these dried petals per cup for 10 minutes and aim to sip 2 to 3 cups on the daily. But remember, the magic word is moderation. Don't let your taste buds get bored though, switch up your tea routine with other BP-friendly blends and keep things interesting. Consistency is key, you wouldn't skip your meds, so don't slack on your tea therapy. Did you find these tips helpful? Hit that like button and share the love, it's just one click away, folks. Subscribe and join the health revolution. Here's to sipping our way to lower numbers and healthier hearts. Wishing you all a fantastic and blessed week ahead. Look after yourselves and peace out. Teacup without handle sparkles.